Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mira. Today I'm going to do my yoga flow and I really hope you will join me. And if you're on my channel now, don't forget and hit button subscribe. It means really a lot for me. And let's start. We're gonna start our workout from warming up our legs. We're gonna start from left leg. We're gonna bring our left foot to our ear. We're gonna switch our leg. Up and down, up and down. Repeat after me, guys. Next exercise, we're gonna stretch our both legs. We catch them in this position. We bring them up and down, up and down. Up and down. Now we are going to do compass. It's our next exercise. Keep it, keep it. And let's chill. Now we're going to do same exercise with another leg. We go slowly. Careful. And let's rest for a little bit. During rest, we're gonna stretch our beautiful feet. We're gonna go down and up. We're gonna go in this position with our left leg and slowly gonna do half rounds. Let's go to right one. Two feet. Keep this position for a moment if you can. Okay. And here, guys, we can finish our today's yoga flow. I'm super grateful you joined me. Don't forget about likes and comments. If you like my content and if you want to support my channel, you're super welcome to donate me on my PayPal account. All the money I'm gonna spend to buy myself a new camera. If you're still watching this video, it means you're my big fan. In this case, I prepared for you 2 more similar videos, and you can watch them here. I wish you a good day, morning or evening, and see you tomorrow in next video. Bye!
Love you!